Hey there, Allison with EverydayShortcuts.com. Welcome back to my channel. So it's Christmas season and today we are going to make some Grinch Punch. It's actually just a green sherbet punch that's delicious. We're just going to kind of dress it up a little bit and make it Grinch theme. So what you need to make this Christmas punch is some lemon lime Kool-Aid mix, pineapple juice. You can use the large cans, but you definitely need 46 ounces. This is all that they had in stock. I know a lot of things are short supplied, so whatever you can get, but you definitely need 46 ounces of 100% pineapple juice, 2 liter of 7-Up, a half gallon of green sherbet, lime. You want to make sure you get that. And then make sure you have a large punch bowl with a serving spoon and some glasses. And if you want to make it more festive and Grinch, like you can use some sprinkles, like some sanding sugar, and line the glasses if you want. You can use like green and red, or kind of alternate them or mix them together. And then you can put some fun little stickers on there. These are just some ones that you can stick on. And if you want, you can also use some paper straws. So let's get started in making this fun and delicious Christmas punch. Before you get started in making the Grinch Punch, you want to make sure to soften your lime sherbet, and you can do so by setting it out on the counter for a while, or you can soften it in the microwave. While the sherbet is softening, you can go ahead and start preparing your glasses. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to add like some hearts to it, and I think I'm going to add some sanding sugar to it as well. Once you get your heart stickers on the glasses, you can go ahead and put some sanding sugar onto a plate and then just kind of wet it around the top, and then you can go ahead and dip the rim into the sanding sugar. Okay, now it's time to make the punch. So go ahead and add your packet of lemon lime Kool-Aid mix. Then add your pineapple juice. You can see it's already making that green color. Next, add in your 7-Up. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and mix this all together. And then once you get this mixed together, you can go ahead and I like to scoop in the ice or the sherbet, but you can do it however you want. I like to do like the big ice cream scoop, like use an ice cream scooper and just make some round balls in there. Or you can just go ahead and scoop it in there and mix it all together. Okay, here is the final result of the Grinch Punch. I think it turned out great and it tastes delicious too. This will be a fun hit for kids and adults at your Christmas party.